Hi Dry So Cuties, Winnie here. Today we're going to draw the Chips Ahoy chocolate chip cookie. So let's get started. To draw this cute cookie, let's first start by drawing the cookie shape. So I'm just going to start right here and draw this kind of wobbly circle. So let's go ahead and we're going to just wobble around. And our goal is not a perfect circle. Our goal is just to make it just a round shape, right? It's just a cookie and we don't need it to be perfectly circular, round. So I'm just going to come right here and as you see, it's just going to wobble and just try to make it as round as I can. Then go ahead and connect it. There, so something like that, just this big round shape. And then now that we have that, let's go ahead and bring it to life. So I'm going to come into the center area and let's say about right here, I'm just going to go ahead and draw a really big circle. So right here. There, one, and then I'm going to come right next to it, say about right here, and draw another one. There, so now I have my two circles in. Let's come inside. We're going to draw another circle. Actually, you know what? I'm going to do that a little bit later because I'm going to use a brown color to do that. So let's go ahead and we're just going to draw the brow. So on top of the brow right here, for the brow on top right here, we're just going to draw a curve, comes down and thicken it up. And same thing here. So this is like a dollop of chocolate as well. There, and then we're going to draw the mouth right underneath. So say about right here and right here. I'm just going to give myself 2 points. So it's just easier for me to see where I'm going with this big curve. Nice big smile, and then let's thicken up that smile. Widen it up. And cap it off. And then come in here and we're just going to draw an indication of some teeth. Let's come up, and then right here we're just going to put in a little tongue. There. I know it looks really weird right now, but we'll get to the eyes real soon. Let's come back and we're going to draw some chocolate chips all the way around. So I'm just going to come in here and wobble some of these shapes. So sometimes I'll put them more on the edge just to break it up. So wherever space you have, just take a look where you want to just stick one in. Sometimes smaller, sometimes bigger. Almost there. So let's say here. Put one big one in here as well. And then maybe a little space right here. There. Okay, so then now that we have that, let's go ahead and we're going to draw the feet. So this cute Chips Ahoy cookie here is wearing some tennis shoes. So I'm going to come right here and draw some legs. So I'm going to come down about right here, draw these scrawny legs. So it's a little bit thinner here and then it gets a little bit wider. And then about right here, I'm just going to round it off. So same thing here. A little bit thinner towards the top and then just round it off. There, I got two little legs in. And now to draw the shoes. So I'm going to come right here, draw these nice thick tennis shoes, come down, round it off. And then I'm just going to go ahead, give it a little angle right here and then just bring it in. And then just to simplify, we're going to come right here for where the laces would be. And I'll just add 2 little lines and then come down to the bottom. Draw like where the sole would be. And so same thing here. We can change up the angle a little bit. So about here. And come down. And connect. So same thing. Give it a little sole, and then right here where the laces would go. There. And then let's see here, let's draw the hands. So this one, the hands, this side, let's have it go up. So it's waving, we're gonna go up, and then right here, we're gonna round it off for a thumb. And the arm, so let's come about right here. 1, 2, 3, and then down. And then I'll just come in here, some lines, fingers. And then this hand is just kind of hanging out, so let's come about right here. I just saw this Chips Ahoy cookie on an ad, and I was just like, oh, that's so cute. So I thought we could draw it for you. So you can bend this one right here, so hopefully you love this cookie. And we're going to put some fingers out here, so 1, 2, and just bend the little pinky a little bit. 3. There. And that is pretty much it for everything outside. So now let's work on the eyes. So to draw these eyes, I'm going to come in here with a Sharpie, a brown one, and I'm just going to attempt, because the eyes are actually all brown, so that's why I'm going to try to use this brown Sharpie and a brown marker. See if it works. But if you don't have that, you can definitely just use black. So I'm going to come in here, draw this circle, and in the center, I'm going to draw another circle, and I'm going to fill it in. So same thing here. So we want the outside right here to be nice and dark. And then inside, like dark brown as well. So now that we have that, looks really weird. We're gonna come in here with a brown marker. That's nice, that's just a little bit lighter, and then I'm just gonna come in here. Oh, and I almost forgot, I'm gonna put a little highlight right here. And then shade it in. So same thing here. Little highlight right here, and then shade it in. So then, the goal is right now is to come to the edges right here next to the Sharpie and make this a little bit darker so that it just gets a little bit lighter towards the center. So just a slight gradation towards the center, just to give it a little bit more depth. There, so it's brown, so it's kind of hard to see, but then I'll come back in here with my Sharpie again and just try my best to darken a little bit more, just to bring it out a little bit better. And that is pretty much it. Nice and simple, hopefully. I really hope I helped you draw this yummy and cute cookie from Chips Ahoy, and that you love how it turned out. And if you do, please make sure to give me a like and subscribe so you won't miss any new Draw So Cute videos. See you later.